My girlfriend, our story together. It all started one day when a friend and I were talking on FaceTime and he told me he had a pretty girl on Facebook who was in the school. So I met her and added her on Facebook and started chatting with her. At that time she had a boyfriend, but I didn't know it until once she told me, but I really don't care because his boyfriend didn't pay her attention. I really like her so much, so we started chatting every day, but finally I encouraged myself and tell her that I love her and I want her to be my girl. The days passed and she told me she liked me too, but didn't want to leave his boyfriend because she didn't want to hurt him. But I didn't give up. I insisted the months passed. It was almost a year since I told her that I like her. She finally decided to leave his boyfriend. It was really hard for her because she didn't want to hurt him, but I support her all the time and tell her that if she didn't feel sure about that, don't do it, but she told me that she was sure. And one day we were going to the cinema and I told her that I want to do it for her. But she said me, no, wait a little more. When the school year started, she began to stay to cheers classes and me to volleyball ones. They were on the afternoon in the school. So I said to her, unlock my cell phone, please, and when she did it, in the cell phone appeared a wallpaper that said, do you want to be my princess? Then she looked into my eyes and told me, yes, we hug each other, and until these days we're still together. We have almost 1 year being a couple. I really love her.
Created using Powtoon.